We're all familiar with the Girl Scouts and, of course, the wonderful core values that the Girl Scouts instills in so many amazing young women. Well, there's an event coming up that you definitely want to know about and be a part of, and that's exactly what we're talking about today with Nancy Borghesi, who is the board chair of Girl Scouts of Eastern South Carolina, and also the executive chef of Sea Pines Country Club, Brian Coseo. It's great to see you guys.
Nice seeing you.
Nice seeing you.
Thanks so much for joining us. So there's a huge event coming up and this is the 9th year. It's called Death by Chocolate.
Yeah, that's correct.
So let's talk about this event. Why is this event so important?
Well, this year we're changing this event up a bit. This is our fundraiser that we do once a year on Hilton Head. And this year we're changing things up a bit from in the past. And we thought this was really a perfect opportunity to focus on and spotlight one of our local chefs and ask them to create a menu with every course containing chocolate.
Chocolate. Because, you know, I love Girl Scout cookies. We all love Girl Scout cookies, but I love chocolate too. So,
we all do.
We all do. But now you have to incorporate chocolate into everything you're making for the menu for this particular event.
That's the challenge.
And that's the challenge. And when Nancy first approached me, you know, my wheels started to turn in my head. It's like, this is going to be fun. You know, how do I incorporate this? And we just got certified as one of America's healthiest clubs. So I'm thinking, how do I balance that? And when you hear death by chocolate, you're thinking it's not going to be good for you. But chocolate actually is very good for you. Dark chocolate can lower cholesterol. It can reduce your heart rate. And it's got a lot of the same flavor profiles as wine does. So I looked at it as like doing a wine dinner and got very creative with some of the courses we're doing. So we're incorporating chocolate with the different flavor profiles into different dishes as we go through the courses.
And I have to say, and I want to make sure that the viewers are listening, we're not talking about just chocolate in the dessert. We're talking about incorporating chocolate into every dish that will be served that evening.
Into every course.
And it is quite a menu.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
Can you give us a little bit of an idea?
There's going to be chocolate in every course. We're kind of keep that. We're trying to keep that.
Oh, that's a secret.
Contents are a secret, but there is an appetizer, a salad, a main dish.
A main dish and
dessert,
which will not be healthy. I'll be honest with that right now. That's going to be chocolate, chocolate, and more chocolate.
So, Brian, let me ask you this. How challenging was it to come up with menu items for this particular event, Death by Chocolate?
Well, you know, it wasn't as challenging as you think, because, you know, if you do a lot of research on that, and again, you know, chocolate has a lot of the same flavor profiles as wine does. And if you look at, you know, Latin American cooking and some other ethnic cuisines, they use chocolate in everything, or a lot of the dishes. So it was easy to kind of build around that and build that menu off of those influences.
One of the other things we wanted to do was change the program format up a bit, so we could focus on our girls and their accomplishments, and also highlight maybe how Girl Scouting has changed some key areas.
What do they need to do to get tickets for this event?
Well, you can either call our office for tickets, or you can go on to brownpapertickets.com.
So I want to say thank you both for joining me and for educating our viewers a little bit about the Girl Scouts, but also for letting us know about this fabulous event coming up, Death by Chocolate.
And we do hope that all of you can join us.
Of course.
Yes. Yep.
Okay, thanks Nancy and thanks Brian.
Thank you.
If you'd like more information on this fabulous event, Death by Chocolate, all you have to do is go to the information you see right there on your screen.